Good morning, wonderful people. My name is Justiano. In case you're new to this YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe, like, comment, and share. It's a normal Saturday. I have nothing to do, so I've decided to step out and I want to use my bike. I want to head to Utawala. Right now I'm at
So guys, you can see the bike is here. Tumefika mali panaitwa, okay, I don't know exactly ni wapi, but when I zoom in, there are some industrial cold storage something. Sorry if you can't hear me. Around me, this is what I can see. This is what I can see. And I've just been cycling. I'm past Utawala, I'm past Ruiru, Njiru, not Ruiru, Njiru somewhere. So I'm at this beautiful flowing river in Ilinishika, and I was fascinated by it. You know, nature is so wonderful, so I just had to take a video of it. And it's so wonderful. Actually, you can see the cars coming over from the other side. You can see they're coming from this other side, and actually it's a wonderful thing. Just taking out so here goes our bike. Chi, my son, talk to them, talk to them, talk to them. Chi. You can hear the river flowing. And just see, we've had a bend on the tire, but all in all,
don't mind my face, manze. I'm dusty. I'm just, manze, what do I even say? Sorry, but I'm dusty, I know. Hey, you can just tell. What the fuck? You can tell I'm dusty. I'm a bit somewhat rusty, but let me just set this one up here so that I can. So guys, we are headed to Kamakis, and after Kamakis I'll go to Thika Road. Once I'm done with Thika Road, then maybe you can... So I guess that's all. Manze, I'm taking my leave, so on my bike. There it goes. Headed to Kamakis. Kamakis, here we come! Kamakis! Kamakis! You can see,
on the bike. So now we are headed to Kamakis. On the bike. On the bike.
Here we come.
On the bike.
And hope to see you soon, Kamakis. And at the end of the day, when you're done, you're going to town and Thika Road. Through Thika Road, actually. So maybe we can... I may stop vlogging and then concentrate on biking. Oh my god! Chi! Vlogging and riding are not the same thing. So be careful on the road, oh. Be careful on the road, oh. Guys, since I don't know where I am, I'm going to take a video of some buildings around me and some industrial companies. So maybe you may guess and maybe you may tell me if you know them. Yeah, well and good. So actually let me do that just right now.
And to the right, let me zoom in. We have Maliro. Maliro Maps Industrial Park. Yeah, I'm on the road as you can see. So what else do I see around? Let me zoom out. This building, maybe you can tell me you know it. And after that, I'm headed away on my bicycle.
Location, I think I'm at Ruai, because I can see a few signposts saying I'm at that one reads Ruai. So maybe you can just stop over and get water, because I'm feeling kind of thirsty. Riding on a bike is kind of tiring. I can see Zaire Park, so I'm headed to a place where I want to get some water. Drink some water so that I can cool. And as you can see on the bike, we've had a few bends maybe I don't know if I can show you or demonstrate. We've had a few bends over here, and personally I'm beat and I feel like you can even see like there's dust on my face. I just want to sip some water, then be on to my journey. So let me go get some water, drink some water, then I'll be off. But right now my location says I'm at Fanaka. I mean not Fanaka, I'm at Ruai. So after Ruai I'll be going to Kamakis. After Kamakis we'll handle the Thika bypass. Then after Thika bypass we shall go to CBD and then I shall be home. So let me go get water. So after the long ride, kind of feel thirsty like I've said. I just want to grab some water because I've seen this stall and I'm impressed, and I feel I should quench the thirst so that I continue the cycling. So mzito manze, nataka maji ni ngapi? Kubwa ndogo. Nipatie tu ndogo juu nataka kunywa nikienda, sina mahali pa kwenda. 25. Nipatie. Sorry guys, that's it. And I'm actually impressed because the person in charge is a youth. So a challenge to us. Youth, man, let us step up, create employment for ourselves so that we stop calling the government hypocrites. You know, at the end of the day, what we want. Thank you. Welcome bro, welcome. Manze, keep up bro, endelea fit. So I've gotten my water, as you can see here is Milele. Milele, let me just zoom in on it. It's a Milele. So let me see. Mzito, Kamakis ni mbali? Mbali sana nikiwa na baiskeli? Si sana. Kama dakika ngapi hivi? Ile 20? Okay. So guys, as you've heard, it's 20 minutes to Kamakis. I'll be headed to Kamakis in a few. I'm just quenching the thirst, then I shall be off. So manze, welcome to Kenya manze. We have friendly people. So those who claim we are divided on tribal basis, it's a lie manze. Like, I'm communicating with a guy I've never seen and he's so friendly. So manze, in Kenya we live friendly, and maybe that's one thing people need to note. So
The dust, I just
let me sip the water that
way.
be on my...
And there is the bike, and here is me.
Bike on swag.
So guys, as you can see, I'm at this place where somebody called it Msitu ya Uhuru. So when you go to Rome, you do what the Romans say. So now I'm at Msitu ya Uhuru, like they've called it. So as you can see, nature is beautiful. Nature is beautiful when I say. Trust me, you. If the video is a bit shaky, please forgive me because I'm on a bike. I'm cycling, and at the same time I'm trying to vlog. So, and if the audio still is so poor, please try and understand because I'm on the highway, and Msitu wa Uhuru just captured and the sea. So now I just had to vlog with it. Msitu wa Uhuru is beautiful, man. The reason I'm calling it Msitu wa Uhuru is because somebody, as I was coming from Utawala, gave me direction and named this place Msitu wa Uhuru. So now I have to go with what the Romans said. Oh my God. Huku ni kurembo, nitatoka kwetu. Huku ni kurembo. Look at the clouds, man. Sorry. Look at the clouds. People are working. Look at Nairobians. So now, guys, I'm still at Msitu wa Uhuru.
So it's beautiful, as you can see. So people, I've seen a lot of flowers and potted plants around this place, and genuinely I can say they are beautiful, and people have decided entrepreneurship is the way, and entrepreneurship is the new norm of life. Just check at that. People are selling beautiful flowers. Whoa. Man. Damn! That lorry that just passed nearly blew me away. Guys, I've got to stop vlogging and concentrate on the cycling. I can't manage the two, so let me stop here. Another river just caught my eyes. Another river flow. And I'm honestly fascinated by rivers, and I love the calm of nature. Nature is so peaceful. This is another one, and it's past Kasarani. So let me allow you see it. Maybe you can enjoy it. Kuna mvua mingi, kuna tuko na liver, si tuko na misitu. Let me just maybe try and zoom in. I can see a bridge. It's not a bridge. Why is this boyish? The boyish side of me wishes I had a way on how I could go there. So I can see nature at its best. So maybe just allow me cross the road. Ah, mama! So yeah, and you can see for yourself the river is flowing. So guys, at last I'm at Kamakis. The next thing I'm going to do is take a road that will lead to Vika, and then head back to CBD. So as you can see around me right here, this is Kamakis, and the place where they sell meat, this is the place actually. And after I'm done with this, I'll be headed home. You can see the Kamakis brawl where people are trying to get customers all day for their meat. So I'm at Kamakis especially, and I feel like I'm beat. As you can see, I've even gotten some bit of injuries down here, and basically we're just headed onto the road. And by the time we are done, we shall be at CBD. So this is Kamakis, as I've told you. So my next stop will be the bypass, so that I head back to town. Many minutes of cycling. I'm finally on Thika Road, and I'm at Kenyatta University. Comrades in the house, please present yourself. It's your favorite boy, Justian, in case you never knew. And in case you're just tuning in, manze, make sure you subscribe, like, comment, and share. Turn the notification bell on. So let me use the front camera. Guys, I'm exhausted, man. Let me take off my mask, man. I'm exhausted. Chee! Let me even sit down, man. Kai! Jeso! But at last, our goal is made. I'm on Thika Road. So I just have to grab water, sugar from bananas. So if I stay hydrated, and the sugar from the bananas will give me some energy to cycle back to Embakasi. So let me flip the camera so that you see I am at Kenyatta University. Guys, this is Thika Highway. This is Thika Super Highway, and as you can see, when I zoom in closely, sorry if I'm shaking, guys, my muscles are tired, so I can't remain stable. So that's Kenyatta University, funeral home. So, and this is the same thing. You have been to this complex when I was doing my Jira program. So there is the bike. Let me zoom out. There is the bicycle.
The man of the day. You guys look at him. Look at that baby. Look at that baby. I hope after time I won't entertain you guys this much in Amniacha EV. Like you should subscribe, bring your friends over, tell them to come in and subscribe, watch my videos. So this is behind me. So let me continue cycling, because if I waste time here I'll arrive late in the house, and from CBD to my place I need to grab some water. So let me continue, which I can see here. So Mother, imagine ngapi? 30. Wezi nipunguzia? Wezi nipunguzia? Wacha nikusupport. Asante sana Mother. So the water is costing close to 30 shillings, and for my energy just before I arrive at bananas, I think I'll pick some tropicals, which I can see. So I can pick some tropicals. And since I have nowhere to carry, I think I'll just take like ones for 10. Ngapi?
4 for 10.
4 for 10.
Yeah.
Thank you. So guys, as you can see, our mother here is doing business, and I've decided to stop over here. I was headed to that guy, but I felt we need to support the women in our lives, and she's like a mother, so I prefer, not that I'm discriminating, I prefer supporting the women, and that's what I've done. Guys, I was having a talk with Made, and as you can see, she's handing me the change. So guys, let me challenge you. When we say the government does not provide employment, you can see what our mother here has done for herself. And clearly, you don't need energy to focus, you don't need a lot of money to start a business. Mother here has started it and she's earning. And in fact, let me just get, Mingapi Mother? 5. Let me just get one in spiritual support for my mother here. And guys, let me challenge you youths, instead of going to rob, instead of doing these other illegal activities, start a business like Male. Get your legit 5 shillings, your legit 10 shillings, and at the end of the day, you are blessed. For God blesses the hands that work. So feel challenged. This is the second business I'm showing, and as you can see, our bike is over there. And let me just sip my water here as I eat my ginger for my sugars. I'm now at Boy, as you can see, and I'm still headed to CBD. So around me, all you can see is Thika Super Highway as at large, you can see. So we want to get hydrated so that we head straight to town. Then from town we shall head to wherever I'll show you. I'm not down, I just feel tired. You can see. I'm currently now at Garden City after some hours of cycling. Through the minutes I've been taking you over my stops, and man, cycling is hard. Cycling ain't easy for sure. So next time you're prepared for cycling. I came from the house with I left the house with 150, and right now, currently, as I can see, the only amount what I was putting down is the bottle of water. Don't go littering everywhere. What I'm left now with is only this amount, as you can see. So you can comment on the amount. So I'm at Garden City. My next stop will be in CBD, and I hope you stick along so that we enjoy this journey together. So let me flip the camera so that you see the beautiful scenery. As you can see, this is Garden City. There's where we got the Woolworth. There's where we got families. People out here have money. You can see people are partying, enjoying themselves, and over there you can see the different enterprises that are conducting business in Garden City. So you can see we have NCBA, Avenue Healthcare, Garden City, Carrefour Market, and all the places. And as you can see on the other side of the road, we have Total. This is the main road, so let me zoom in. So this is the other side of the road. As you can see, let me zoom in closer. We have Total over here, and the Thika highway, the 4-lane. As you can see, the scenery is wonderful. So I hope you stick along so that we continue together, and through the journey maybe we may enjoy. People have money in Nairobi. Look at families there. Look at people enjoying themselves. People are enjoying themselves. So next stop with the Bazu, we are headed to CBD. So I hope to see you in CBD, where we shall have fun together and enjoy. So guys, I'm currently now at Allsops. My determination to go through CBD, I won't go through because I'm actually tired and I'm feeling hungry. I'm feeling all sort of things, and I feel like I'll just use the Allsops road, connect straight to Jogoo Road, and from there I'll be home. So let me flip the camera. So now this is Allsops, where I am at currently, straight to the big man Bazu. So from Thika all the way, we come and we are now here. So now this is the vicinity. This is Allsops. Over to the other side, you can see it is the GSU. I don't know what they call it. That's where the waters is. So let me zoom into you see that yellow lorry back. That lorry that locally eco. The city upper, if you can see also, that's where the GSU. I don't know. They are located there or something. I don't know. Maybe somebody can see more information about the Allsops beginning in Akogapo GSU. And okay, none of my business. So let me go back to on the road and straight up. We leave for Pipeline. So the next stop will be at Caltex, and we shall be together. God keep us safe on the road. Home. For those who know Donholm, you can see Donholm is quarter past. There is a quarter, as you can see. Oh my God, this shit says on Sunday. It's not Sunday, it's Saturday. So as you can see, that's where I'm coming from, and this is where I'm headed to. And on my other side, that is Naivas. Yeah. So from here I'm headed to my place. Cycling, and been through those places. I feel sweaty, I feel tired, I need to relax. So I decided to take a bath. So maybe after you watch the video, give it a like, subscribe, share, then comment down below. And also suggest places you'd like me to write to, so that we can vlog and enjoy this life.